Market experts accept SPEL could reach $0 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. SPEL token presentation. SPEL token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Fundamentally, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up guarantee in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi, and different bend-raised tokens as security. Abracadabra likewise offers yield-cultivating amazing open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate SPEL token. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and all in all recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to furnish you with a thorough value expectation of SPEL token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the verifiable cost activity as well as the job of SPEL token in the environment. Investigating Abracadabra Cash. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credit. In any case, Abracadabra is remarkable in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, a sort of liquidity supplier token, as security. These IPKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money space. They create ceaseless returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This development assists at Abracadabra and its auxiliary innovations with preferring SPEL token and Sorcery Web Cash aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. Stablecoin credits empower financial backers to intensify yields while holding responsibility for advanced resources. For instance, financial backers can sell or reinvest their advance returns, advancing more complicated exchanging methodologies. By and large, DeFi conventions like Bend, Long, and Sushi swap mint IPKNs as a component of the credit structure. Abracadabra Cash plans to additionally decentralize DeFi venture valuable open doors by presenting these IPKNs as security and stablecoin credits. The Abracadabra biological system addresses the freshest class of decentralized finance stages, DeFi 2.0. DeFi 1.0 period relied upon leasing liquidity like remunerating yield ranchers in return for liquidity, while DeFi 2.0 accentuates convention-claimed liquidity or PAL. Essentially, on the off chance that you apply for a line of credit in the stage, your guarantee bears interest, making it a self-reimbursing credit. SPEL token coin outline. SPEL token is the stage's local cash in view of the Ethereum blockchain, however a lot higher in amount than MIM. These coins are really tracked down, less usually available for use. This is on the grounds that they are generally utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes with respect to changes on the responsible stage's overhauls. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with typical stakeholding. The more capital they vow, the more prominent their say in proposed changes to that stage's organization. SPEL tokens additionally permit their holders a choice to acquire recurring, automated revenue by marking the genuine tokens themselves too. SPEL supporters are given MIM in return for their contributed tokens, which can likewise be utilized themselves. SPEL patrons likewise procure intermittently from exchanging expenses made on Abracadabra's foundation when they stake SPEL. As referenced in the tokenomics, these profit are conveyed through SPEL. In the event that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for SPEL payoffs sufficiently long, there will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's all-out esteem locked will lessen. To address this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention-possessed liquidity, or PAL, implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its extremely durable watchfulness. PAL permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items without agonizing over its liquidity leaking endlessly. SPEL token current cost. Spell token is right now worth $0. Spell has moved 6.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $44,610,655. Spell token is right now positioned 244 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $102,878,222 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Spell token value expectation 2022. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Spell cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progression. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2023. In 2023, Spell token Spell cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Spell will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Spell's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Spell will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell token value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. Spell might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Spell is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Spell token value forecast 2025. In the event that Spell token effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Spell will be green in 2025. The Spell is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Spell token value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, Spell has a most extreme value worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that Spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help Spell needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value expectation 2028. While Spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Spell token value